Interesting. Well, thanks for sharing that. Now, we always talk about closed deal. Let's talk about this deal that did not go through, right? What happened? Did the buyers had a change of heart? The financing fell through, or something else?
Yeah, the market completely turned on them. So, when we went into escrow, the market was still firing on all cylinders. And it's interesting how quickly markets can turn on you. When markets go from a down market to an up market, it's a very long and identifiable process where you kind of like all this stuff plays out. You can almost see it happening in real time. Uh, and it's kind of like, watching a traffic collision that you can see is about to happen. You can kind of see it all happening in slow motion. That's a market recovery. It's in really slow motion. When a market switches from up or level to down, it's instant. In my experience, and I've been through this a number of times, it happens very, very quickly. And in a matter of days or weeks, a market can turn from one that's actually very positive to one that's completely negative. And that's exactly what happened right in the middle of this escrow. Things were very positive at the time we went into contract. And then while the buyer was doing their due diligence and lining up their financing, the market began to change. Their lender backed out on them. They asked for an extension so they could go to a different lender. They found a different lender. That lender backed out on them. Their equity sources that were going to fund the equity started backing out. They had, I think, one big investor that was going to contribute a couple million, and that investor said, change my mind, never mind. Other investors that, they're relying on kind of the retail investor, people who are investing maybe $50,000 or $100,000 chunks were drying up. And all that kind of happened right at the same time, and the buyer just frankly couldn't close.